မင်္ဂလာပါ Welcome to Myanmar Nui. Today we are going to learn Za Kwe. The letter name is Za Kwe. The letter sound is Za. You can read it Za. Za. Okay, let's learn some example words of Za sound. Za select ban. Za select ban. Za select ban. Select ban is pinwheel flower. Za saya. Za saya. Za saya. Saya is church. Za salipado. Za salipado. Za salipado. Salipado is river slipper. Za za. Za za. Za za. Za is lace. Za sagana. Za sagana. Za sagana. Sagana is forceps. Za siwatsu. Za siwatsu. Za siwatsu. Siwatsu is shiflet. Za sizawaban. Za sizawaban. Za sizawaban. Sizawaban is gardenia flower. Za secret. Za secret. Za secret. You know, secret is all. Za zet. Za zet. Za zet. Zet is nymph. Za sit. Za sit. Za sit. Sit is zipper. Za sunban. Za sunban. Za sunban. Sunban is star jasmine. Za sun. Za sun. Za sun. Sun is spoon. It's quiz time for you. Which one is the letter Za Kwe? Leave your answer in the comments, please. Here you can see the 4 things in this picture. 1. Bagamya. 2. O. 3. Zun. 4. Yikwat. Which one is the Za sound? Leave your answer in the comments, please. You learn the letter name Za Kwe and the letter sound Za. Then you read out 12 total words of the Za sound. You really try hard today. If you like to study Burmese lessons, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for your watching. See you in the next lesson.